All right, guys, I would like to talk with you now about the new unit that we're going to study in math. This is the last unit that we have in math for this year, for your fifth grade year. You've already made it that far. So we're talking about units of measurement, length, liquid, volume. Liquid volume is a measure of the amount of liquid inside a container. So we're going to be looking at that a little bit, like liters and quarts. Maybe some of you have been using things like that if you're helping to cook at home. Now that we're home more, I hope that you are trying to help out some in the kitchen, and this would actually be a really good way to really learn this information well. We're going to learn about units of weight and mass, how volume is different than that. We'll talk a little bit about perimeter and area and things like that. So, one thing that I did want to show you that will come in handy during this unit are some vocabulary word cards. And I have to say, we have not used these yet this year, but they're kind of amazing. They're in your workbook. If you'll turn to page 314A, you can pause this video if you need to so you can get there. It starts to list the vocabulary words for this unit. Now this unit is a little bit longer. I believe there's 16 or 17 actual lessons in it. So there are a lot of vocab words. So it will come in handy for you to actually cut these out. These are dotted lines. You can cut these out, and then if you take a look, the definitions are on the back. So you can use these to study. You can have your parents quiz you on the definitions of these, what they mean, and we'll go through them throughout the unit when we're talking about these particular vocab words. Okie dokie. So that's what I would challenge you with today, is to cut these out, store them in a baggie or an envelope, somewhere, maybe hook them together with a paper clip, somewhere where you can keep track of them and not lose them. Okay, do not lose them. At least we'll know that they'll be somewhere in your house, right? You're not going to go anywhere else with them, so hopefully you'll be able to find them. There are several pages of these because it goes through 314L. Now remember, that's only one side is the word and then the other side is the definition. So cut those out and store them, and so that we can have those vocabulary words handy dandy. There is quite a few for this one, so we're really focusing on that. Okay. We will be watching some number rock videos with this unit. We'll also be watching some math antics videos. We'll be doing some Zooms so that we can keep everybody up to speed with us and understanding our units of length and measure. It'll be great. I'm excited for this unit. I like geometry and measuring things actually, so I think this should be really fun. I think you'll enjoy it too. Let me know if you have questions.